This is example 4 on page 8, and we're still talking about complements of sets. So suppose, for example, you have the universal set U, where x is between -5 and 5 and is an integer. You have the set A, where x is between 1 and 4 inclusive, also integers, and the set B, where x is between -3 and 2, not including 2, and also integers. So this question is just about listing all of the elements of these sets. It's not always necessary or even possible, but since this is our first example, I'm going to start by listing all of the elements in the universe. So our universe is from -5 to 5. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our universe. All right, let's start with part A. Part A says list the number of sets in A. So A is equal to 1 through 4 inclusive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Part B, we are listing the elements in set B. So that was -3 to 2, but not including 2. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, not including 2. Then we want the complement of A. So recall that if A is the values 1, 2, 3, and 4, then the complement of A is going to be everything that's in the universe that's not already in A. So that would be -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. For part D, we want the complement of B. So again, this is B, and we want everything that's in the universe that's not already in B. So -5, -4, skip -3, -2, -1, all the way to 0, up to 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see why it's useful to have the universe written out. Again, it's not always possible, but it does seem to help. All right, part E. For part E, we want A intersection B. So we want the values that A and B have in common. And as I look at those two sets, the A intersection B is only one number. It's the number 1. For F, we want A union B. A union B is just going to be everything that was in A and everything that's in B. Try and do it in order. Don't repeat. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. 1 is repeated. And then 2, 3, 4. So 1 happened in both, but I don't write it twice. I just write that it exists in the set. For G, I want A complement intersection B. So now I'm looking at the complement and B and trying to figure out what parts of those are the same. So they share -3, -2, -1, and 0. And then lastly, for H, I want the complement of A union the complement of B. So everything that was in A complement combined with everything that's in B. So putting them in order, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, remember that the numbers that appear in both sets, you only list them once. Okay, that's it.